Hi there, Broadheader is the name, as you can see right here. And this video is a response to a challenge a friend of mine, Ghost Sniper, is his YouTube channel, sent me a couple of years ago, maybe 2 years ago, asking me, actually challenging me to do a tactical video reload using a pistol. The difference is he used his own airsoft replica pistol, and I'll be using my personal Smith & Wesson M&P chambered in 9mm. So let's have a go. All right, shooter ready, go. There you go, Ghost Sniper. Challenge accepted and done. Who's next? Maybe Norwich? I don't know. Let's challenge Norwich to do a tactical reload using either airsoft replicas or real weapons. So, Norwich, you're up. Good luck.